Welcome to our second ride of our Spanish Pyrenees tour. And again, we found some nice roads, today taking you west and northwest of Ainsa. So hopefully you are ready for 205 kilometers, over 125 miles of mainly winding roads. Of course, we added some stops and we're going to bring you as far as we can get into the Parque Nacional de Ordesa. So let's go crazy! We are now in Jaca, and Jaca was found with an ancient fort near the Aragon River. It is situated on the crossing of two early medieval routes, north to south, east to west. Jaca was a city out of which the county and kingdom of Aragon developed, and it was the capital until 1097. In your GPX file we have added a bike parking just opposite of this Ciudadela de Jaca, a fortification dating back to the 16th century. The Ciudadela and this 11th century Romanesque cathedral, just at the other side of where we parked our bikes, are the main tourist sites. A lot of other tourists have Jaca as their central point, but we chose for the smaller and, in our opinion, more charming Ainsa. But we did want to explore Jaca for a bit. We have brought you to the Parc National de Ordesa. It's set to hold the most impressive landscapes of the Pyrenees, but unlucky for us bikers, the biggest parts are only to be reached on foot. We have brought you as far as we can get, and you can enjoy the view here, but also you can drive down to the village Torla Ordesa and enjoy a drink. In the heart of the park, with spectacular cliffs, 4 gorges cut through the limestone massif. The Valle de Ordesa, where we are now, the Cañón de Anisclo, the Valle de Pineta and the Gargante de Escuén. And as we have brought you as far as we can get, we have to go back the same way, but don't worry, we still have some new winding roads ready for you. With leaving the Valle de Ordesa, we saw that the village of Broto was way nicer than Torla Ordesa, so we'll add Broto to your GPX file if you want to have another stop after the Valle Ordesa. And remember that you also stop at some points to enjoy views like this. We will add this stop as well. Well, another fun ride, we would say. If you've already done ride 1, you know that we are ending this ride at the parking north of Ainsa because it's only a short walk over the pedestrian bridge into the historical part of Ainsa. We really enjoyed this ride in the Spanish Pyrenees and hope that you will too on your road trip. If you're interested in more crazy rides, have a look at our website and we hope to see you soon. Bye bye! If you like this video and want to help us grow our channel, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you don't want to miss our future videos on crazy rides. And if you want to keep going crazy now, we also have a tour in the Netherlands, the Dutch mountains. It's in the middle of your screen.